One of the most common questions is how can Zibet Daoshu chart interpretation enhance your wealth and career within a month? Today I will talk about Zibet Daoshu interpretation and Zibet Daoshu accuracy. I will cover topics like what can monthly Zibet Daoshu chart interpretation reveal for you? How can you use Zibet Daoshu interpretation to plan your life ahead? Can Zibet Daoshu accuracy reveal business partnerships? Which Chinese zodiac on your Zibet Daoshu chart will make you lose money? And so much more on the topic of Zibet Daoshu chart interpretation. Hi, my name is Gagan Sarkaria. I'm a high achievement life and business coach, abundance manifestation expert, Chinese astrologer, and feng shui master. Maybe you have wondered how you can use Zibet Daoshu chart interpretation within a month or over a year to plan and enhance your wealth and career. Many of my new clients are coming out of the pandemic and working towards business or career recovery. Others are looking for a side gig or wanting to start a business. Despite holding various positions in the workforce, I have been an entrepreneur my entire life. I believe in education, professional knowledge, personal development, and entrepreneurship. Stick around and I will walk you through how I make a Zibet Daoshu interpretation of the stars and palaces within a month. The insights can enhance your success in wealth, money, relationships, or career and help you find your personal Wu Wei, which means when to ebb and when to flow. Zibet Daoshu Chinese astrology destiny science has been my secret weapon for over 5 years now. You can plan and take action using your annual Zibet Daoshu interpretation. So the first question becomes, what can monthly Zibet Daoshu chart interpretation reveal for you? Well, monthly assessments can allow you to persevere through challenging times, thrive through the peak seasons or days in the month, and build your career and businesses with grace and ease. I regularly coach clients using their personal Zibet Daoshu decade and monthly chart assessments. This has allowed some miraculous breakthroughs and remarkable results in my clients' wealth and career aspects. In some cases, my clients have won legal battles, succeeded in amicable divorce proceedings, quadrupled their businesses, purchased their dream homes when in some cases seemed an impossible task for them, launched their books, hired better employees, gained promotions, opened new businesses, regained their health and family times, all based on their personal Zibet Daoshu chart readings. The results were no different last year during the pandemic either. My heart goes out to all those who lost so much in 2020. However, we often forget to count our blessings and seek regular guidance to continue to build a life of integrity, joy, and wholeness. Now let's talk about using Zibet Daoshu chart interpretation to plan life. Zibet Daoshu chart interpretation over a year, a quarter, or within a month allows you to see things and plan your actions accordingly. Now, there is no 100% accuracy in any form of astrology or metaphysical modality because the experts reading the charts are humans. Astrology charts can be plotted using apps and calculations now, but the reading, assessment, and forecasting are still done by human beings. Zibet Daoshu's accuracy provides details and specificity unlike Bazi and makes Zibet Daoshu an excellent tool. With the chart interpretation, you can gain clarity and achieve the results that will blow your lid off. I will be the first one to tell you that if you have a burning desire to start a business, you must. No matter what season of life you're in, what skills or talents you have, you must focus on 5 B's. What are these 5 B's? Brand, business, book, buying behaviors, and body. Let me go over these step by step so that you can understand. Number 1, focus and develop your brand. There is a difference between brand development, branding, and marketing, and I have written a blog around this concept about the distinction between the three, so make sure you check that out. Start and grow a business. Your Zibet Daoshu chart interpretation can shed light on when, how, where, with whom, and why you need to follow your heart. Write your book. You have a story to tell. Imagine if your experience can change somebody's life. Would you be willing to make a difference? Number 4, Learn the science of buying behaviors. At the end of the day, you have to learn to sell. Ziva Daoshu stars can help interpret the details as to what you need to focus on, what directions to enhance to activate your wealth and career luck. Number 5, take care of your mind, body, and soul. We often get stuck in the rat race, are sleep deprived, and do not know how to manage the daily stressors of our lives. As a result, we can neglect and abuse our physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. You know you need to meditate, eat well, exercise, but don't. With time, depression, obesity, or other diseases take over. Most people do not find the root cause of their diseases and issues or go the alternative route to heal and take charge of their bodies and redesign their destiny. Ziva Daoshu chart interpretation can assess these unseen issues for you no matter how the star formations are on your chart. With the help of the right coach and Ziva Daoshu master, you can use the knowledge to gain insights and apply it to your advantage. Next question I want to answer is, can Ziva Daoshu chart interpretation reveal business partnerships? I hope you agree with me that developing your career and business requires partnerships with other people. And there is no such thing as a self-made millionaire. You can be a first-generation immigrant or first generation to go to college or start a business. But to go from $0 to $1 million, you cannot do that alone. So please understand the power of partnerships. Maybe you need to hire employees or get new contractors or need investors, funding, or other, or maybe you are just struggling with your target audience for digital marketing. There is a way to quickly decipher who you should not partner with or do business with based upon your Ziva Daoshu chart. Because this particular zodiac will make you either spend more money or you will lose money because of them. There are 12 Chinese animal zodiac signs, and we need to be aware of one of those 12. So let's be mindful of that, and let me show you how you interpret that. So the next obvious question then becomes, which Chinese zodiac on your chart will make you lose money, correct? So for this, you need to grab the sample charts published on the corresponding blog on my website, gagansarkaria.com. Now, after you grab these charts, identify the Wuchu star on the Ziva Daoshu chart. Then find the flyout of Huazi to Wuchu. This will be the heavenly stem of Ren. Now identify the earthly branch of Ren stem on your chart. This is the zodiac you need to be careful of, as it is Huazi to Wuchu, meaning that you will lose money or spend money because of this particular zodiac. For example, in one of the sample charts below, Wuchu is in High Palace, has a Huazi coming from Dragon Zodiac Ren Chen. This native must not do business with or hire employees of Dragon Zodiac. Let's look at another sample pointing out the Wuchu star. Then find the Ren heavenly stem that sends a Huazi to Wuchu. The earthly branch of Ren heavenly stem is the zodiac animal you need to remember. Another aspect of digging deeper is to identify your supporters and noblemen based on your Ziva Daoshu chart. This is not a generic information. It is the Ziva Daoshu accuracy found on your personal chart that makes it unique. For example, generally an ox and goat are considered a direct clash on a Ziva Daoshu chart. But if you are an ox, maybe the Sihua flyouts from Goat Palace are auspicious to your wealth, career, property palaces, or something else. Identifying these noblemen or Chinese zodiac natives will help you guide and accomplish your career and wealth goals. Make sure you go over this video and the sample charts a few times, and don't forget to like this video and share the blog with your friends and family. The question now is, how can you plan your month using annual Ziva Daoshu chart? Let me give you an example of how I use my annual Ziva Daoshu chart interpretation and monthly assessments. The 12 Ziva Daoshu palaces and the interpalatial dynamics on my astrological chart allow me to plan important tasks based on Chinese lunar calendar. For example, during the lunar month 4, on my monthly chart, I shifted to my annual mental palace. It makes complete sense to me considering I took on a host of new clients in lunar month 4, which brought with them the increase in mental activities, stress, and opportunities for indirect wealth. So you may ask, how do I find the trend of my financial situation within a month? Let me walk you through as to how I plan the quarters or months in my life and business. My lunar month 4 was Mental Palace, tucked underneath my Decade Wealth Palace, which sits on my Mao direction, or the Rabbit Palace, on my natal life map chart. This is how we use interpolational dynamics and 3 charts overlaid on top of each other. So my month 4 theme was determined by the flyouts of the Sihua transformers. These were the annual mental Hualu to decade travel, Huazi to decade wealth, Huake to decade health, and Huachuan to decade self. So what does this mean? Well, 4 palaces are affected or impacted or will create opportunities for me. When timed right within the month and aligned with the possibilities shown on my chart, I could manifest abundance differently. These events are fated and set in stone. The secrets to achieving success are timing, energy, and action. When we blend and align positive energy with the right timing and take action, that's when the abundance manifestation occurs. So the 4 palaces I needed to look at or focus during my lunar month 4 were Health Palace, Wealth Palace, Life, and Travel Palace, all activated due to my annual mental lunar month 4. And that's precisely how I planned my calendar and activities for my lunar month 4. Let me shed some more light on these 4 palaces. So number 1, Travel Palace. Travel Palace also means the use of technology or leaving the house to do something. You may not know, but I have reopened my Chefs for Seniors North Texas franchise. We started servicing seniors, elderly clients during lunar month 4. It has taken me out of my house to meet and service new clients. We are also servicing new clients for digital marketing projects. And if you don't know, I also have a digital marketing agency. So that's what we are focusing on. Annual Mental Palace was another focus, which overlays on decade wealth. Mental stress, underlying theme was there for myself, as it's self-inflicted or by females or a new client. Well, I've had a new client who is not my ideal client for Chefs for Seniors, and I know this has caused me some uneasiness and stress. I'm sure she is a short-term client and will not last longer with me. So it really makes sense. Annual mental Huachuan to decade self means my mindset and focus will give me a boost in a powerful position, primarily related to my career. Then another aspect is Self Palace. The other aspect is basically understanding and self-reflection and my courage to dig deeper to get to the source of what stories am I playing in my head that cause emotional distress. In either case, understanding my current state of mind and situation or environment can help me mitigate the effects of Huazi. Now, the good news is that Huazi to wealth can create good outcomes if appropriately managed, and Lu always followed Zi. If Hualu is the beginning, Huazi is the end. So the concept is that whatever starts or begins in life will come to an end. And looking at the brighter side of things, an ending gives birth to a new beginning. Number 4, Health Palace. Let's move on and look at Huake to Health Palace. It could mean fame or recognition in the field of health and wellness, or my health is improving, or becoming my focus. Ziwei Daoshu star or Ziwei star means emperor, which means loneliness also. So the feelings of loneliness or emotionality could surface, which usually happens when this kind of occurs. What is the next aspect? If you look at the sample charts on my website, you will see the effects of Huazi caused by annual mental palace. I could change the word stress to extra mental activities, management, or creative thinking. That's how I look at it. With this activity comes stress. So managing mental stress is crucial to growth and manifesting abundance. Mental palace is also about mental thoughts, mental health, wealth, internal health, sickness, and it's the brightness line between the health and mental palace, which is always mental and health palace are opposite to each other. So that's something that you need to look at. Look at the sample charts. I want to express that this process of Zibet-Daoshu interpretation and application has to be built upon each month. You can't exclude one month and then work around it. This aspect of building your life and planning is really fascinating to me. Now, here's another secret. Lunar month 3 was my parents' palace, which is about parents, especially your father. It also represents your mentors or seniors or father figures, people in your life that you hold really deep regard for. It was no random wake-up call that I decided to relaunch my Chefs for Seniors North Texas franchise in Lunar month 3, Parents' Palace. When using the interchange or interpalatial dynamics, the function of Parents' Palace is to identify your friend's wealth and your debt collection strength or energy on the chart. Remember, it is all about timing. And I have a client who also signed off on his divorce decree in Lunar month 3. His ex-spouse agreed to pay him all the monies she owes my client related to divorce proceedings, which is a significant amount in debt collection. Learning to interpret your own Zibet-Daoshu chart. So if you're looking to learn and master Zibet-Daoshu for yourself, or to use in your own business or career, or to help others, be sure to get on the wait list for Zibet-Daoshu course. This course will allow you to master the basics of reading a chart. If you'd like to be among the first to hear when the Zibet-Daoshu course officially opens, please register your interest on my website. In the meantime, get the beginner's guide to Zibet-Daoshu below. It outlines how the stars and palaces work to create a reading. And if you want your Zibet-Daoshu chart interpretation and opportunity and recreate your life, check out one of my 90-day life map reading journey that will help you redesign your destiny. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, this is Gagan Sarkaria signing off.